To all people out there on social media, especially our young generation, I would like to ask them to please consider a few things about social media. The first thing is that social media tends to make you become attention seeking. It tends to give you so much pressure that things have to be, or posts have to be liked by people and accepted by others. So much so that sometimes you forget that it actually has to be only liked by Allah. All our actions actually need to be liked by Allah alone and nobody else. So keep that in mind, because we are answerable for also our social media posts. And on the day of Qiyamah, this will be also judged. So first of all, let's not become too attention-seeking people who want attention all the time. The second thing is that we tend to become so involved in the social media and accept people that we tend to put up time and energy where it's not really needed that much. We can manage, we can do something more positive and constructive in that time. So you wisely manage your time. The third thing is that when you are on social media or when you are doing all these things, keep in mind that forwarding everything and anything or sharing things, you need to remember to make sure they're true, and make sure that even if they are true, are they really going to have a positive effect on others? Last but not least, remember that the social media posts and these sharings, and we tend to sometimes share every little thing. We having a juice drink, or we are enjoying the weather, everything need not be shared. It sometimes starts envy and jealousy in others. It starts to make people dislike us even in their hearts. And yes, and people who are probably at that point in time not enjoying the blessing that you might have, they might feel a sense of deprivation and feel bad about it in a way. They might say, give you a like, or they might say, mashallah, very nice, but it might hurt some people also. So keep the blessings between you and your loved ones, and thank Allah for the blessings. May Allah protect us from all the shar, all the bad and evil that's out there, and bless us with using all our resources in the best way possible.